In today's video, we're installing a McIntosh MA12000.
And we're installing the Borresen 01 Silver Supreme.
Can we get this on camera? Electrical inductance by about 10% by using silver between the magnets instead of copper or in a cheaper speaker iron. So what you had was copper in your cryos, and then everything of course was cryogenically treated. This is identical to those speakers except for the use of cryogenically treated silver. And that 10% difference in inductance from an already super low inductance driver, which you had, is very audible in terms of transparency. This is the Grimm Audio MU1. It's a streamer and server that can run Roon. And we're going to connect this via digital cable, SPDIF cable, to Al's McIntosh integrated amplifier.
Oh, tomorrow?
We've got 2 more Wisconsin stops, believe it or not.
Tonight?
No, tomorrow. It's
Oh.
We're going to install 2 Ansuz X3 cables. This is the X3 mains power cable with the new updated stainless steel housings. We're also going to install a Ansuz X3 BNC digital cable, which also has the upgraded housings. Very heavy duty, weighty, feels good. The steel housing, one with copper and then one with titanium. And this represents the 3 new levels of cable housings they use with the 3rd gen. And they had the reference hi-fi system in a big room playing music. And they would play music and then stop it. They would plug one of the cables into the wall. Not into the stereo system, not into the stereo's power distributor, into the wall. And they would play the same song. And you'd be like, I can't believe I can hear the difference of having this cable plugged into the wall. Yeah. And every cable sounded differently. The tonality of the system changed with stainless steel versus copper versus titanium. Crazy.
I love them. I'll continue to buy from them. They're so good to us. They'll work with you. There were so many times I changed my mind on speakers, blah, blah, blah. They work with me. They didn't roll their eyes. Sure, no problem. When I was 21, I was into hi-fi. I had McIntosh then. I had, you name it, I had. It's fun. I enjoy it. And my wife, Annie, enjoys it. We both enjoy music. We'll sit here for hours sometimes, have a cocktail, listen to music. She said, all those speakers just sound so fantastic.
Yeah.
I'm putting access noirs underneath his Grimm streamer to improve the resolution of the streamer. This is a resonance control device. It decouples the component from whatever platform it's resting on.
I like it. Yeah, I'm happy with it.
Great.
I'm very, very happy with it.
I am too. You're welcome. My pleasure.
Thank you so much. When you guys are down here again, if you have some time, give us a call.
Yeah, we got
to
it.
take you out.
Yeah,
to dinner.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Okay, yes.
We just wrapped up this awesome install. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Good, very good protein. High in protein. 10 grams.
Yeah? So, you